Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I made these stacked leggings and bralette, just using 2 pair of leggings to make a 2-piece outfit or a cord outfit. So I literally went to Walmart and I just bought 2 pair of leggings. I just bought gray, and I also am showing like some extra fabric just in case and all of that stuff. To make the bralette, I did make my own like bralette pattern and stuff like that, but I'm not going to show you too much of how I made it and all of that stuff. I will make a separate video for that, just so this video isn't too long. So what I did first for the stacked leggings is I took the first pair of leggings and I basically just cut the bottom hem of both legs. And then I'm taking the second pair, and I believe I cut like 10 inches from the second pair of leggings from both legs. And then basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the 10 inches that I cut from the second pair of leggings and just sew it into the first pair of leggings. Hopefully that makes sense, because basically we're just stacking the leggings just to make them longer, so that when you put them on, they scrunch up at the bottom and they look like they're stacked. So that's pretty much all I'm doing here. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other videos on how to make stacked leggings and stuff like that. So if I'm not explaining well enough, then I'm sure there are videos that might be of better explanation. So then I'm just pinning them, and after that I'm pretty much just going to take it to my sewing machine and just sew it. I have them pinned in place. I'm just going to sew both legs, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I also believe that I used a zigzag stitch while sewing the legs together. So here's what it's looking like after I sewed the extra length to the leggings. So here I'm just taking my bralette pattern, and I'm actually going to cut it out 4 times on the leggings. But when I'm done cutting, I will actually have 8 pieces, if that makes sense, because I'm cutting through the leggings front and back, which is exactly what I need. So now I'm just laying out all of my pieces, and you will see that I have 8 pieces that I cut out. And then what I'm going to do from here is I'm actually going to pin and sew the curved side of the bralette pattern together. So I'm going to put all of them right sides together, and I'm going to pin and sew along that very curved part of it. So when I sew it and then I open it up, it would be like an actual cup. And I'm doing it to all of them. So this is what I'm talking about when I say it will look like an actual cup when I sew all of them together. So now I have 4 different cup pieces, and then I'm actually going to put right sides together with those to make basically like a lining. So you see here, I'm going to take a second piece and I'm going to put right sides together. So now I would have 2 cups. And I'm not going to sew the very top yet, like the pointy edge. I'm not going to sew that yet because that is where my straps are going to go through. So once I've sewn both sides together, I'm going to flip it right sides out. And then I also made my straps, but I didn't show how I made those because it's really easy to make straps, and I have several tutorials where I've made straps before. And then there is the little opening that I'm actually going to put the straps through. I did cut the waistband off of the second pair of leggings because I'm actually going to use that as the band for my bralette. So the extra fabric that I have underneath the elastic, I'm actually going to sew that down so that it can look more clean. And then I'm just going to take my straps. I'm going to turn the bralette cup back inside out, and I'm going to put the strap on the inside through my little opening, and then I'm just going to sew that top edge closed. So that's what it looks like when I'm all done. And now it is just time to place the cups on the band. So I'm just going to take that elastic band from, the elastic of the leggings, and I'm actually just going to pin it where I want it to go. And because I made the bralette cuffs a little bit bigger than I intended to, I kind of overlapped it to make it more of a different type of look. But you will see what it looks like on my mannequin. Okay guys, so this is what the bralette looks like on my mannequin. It looks really cute. I still have a little bit of perfection to do and stuff like that as far as making the bralette and stuff, but this is just like my first time ever making one. I think it actually came out good for the first time. I think the next time I'm not going to use any elastic. I'm actually going to make my own band and stuff like that. But as far as like the cups, like it came out really cute. I'm going to turn my mannequin around so you can see like the back side of it. So this is the straps. I kind of just tied it at the neck area, and then this is the back of the band. So like I said, it came out cute for a first time. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will be doing a separate video on how I made my bralette. I just didn't want this video to be super duper long, so I'll make a separate video on that. So make sure to let me know if you want to see that down in the comment section below, and any other sewing tutorials you would like to see. Give me some ideas, you guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, press the bell button, and your girl will see you in the next video.